If you want to make sure important messages from a specific sender always reach your inbox, I'll show you how to whitelist an email in MSN the easy way. This is especially useful if messages are getting marked as junk, spam, or simply not showing up where you expect them to. By adding the sender to your safe senders list, you can help Outlook.com recognize that email is trusted. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open Outlook.com in your browser and sign in to the MSN or Outlook account where you want to allow the email address. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the quick settings panel where you can manage your mail preferences. From there, go to Mail, then select Junk Email. This is the area where Outlook controls spam filtering and trusted senders. Now look for the section called Safe Senders and Domains. This is the list that tells Outlook which addresses and websites should be treated as safes. Click Add, then type in the email address you want to whitelist. For example, you might enter something like example@gmail.com. Make sure the email is typed correctly, because even a small typo can stop it from working. Once you've entered the address, click OK to confirm it. After that, go ahead and click Save so Outlook stores your changes. That's the important final step, because without saving, the sender may not be added properly. And that's it. You've now whitelisted an email in MSN by adding it to safe senders. Going forward, emails from that address are much less likely to go to junk, which can save you time and help you never miss important messages again. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.